as you have it in Ablekumanov, let us all be very careful. That is why we in the NPP, and I say it, we will protect ourselves. No forest. No, Yilong. How do you call Yilong? I don't, you help me. How do you call Yilong?
Valley.
Valley. Thank you. There's no valley in Ablekumanov. There are a lot of valleys in Akwatia. Any young man or old man, if you believe yourself, you will be alone in a bush somewhere. Don't be carried away by security support that you can misbehave. Don't be carried away. You cannot have it as you have it in Ablekumanov. Let us all be very careful. That is why we in the NPP, and I say it, we will protect ourselves. Nobody in NPP will go there with any weapon, but we'll go with our bare hands. We have the right to protect ourselves. We will not be intimidated by fear of arrest. If they want, they can come and arrest everybody. The candidate is not a former appointee. It's the candidate that is going to be on the ballot. But if they try anything nasty in Akwatia by way of saying they are arresting people, they will hear from us. As he has said it, the police have heard it. He says that the police is not the only body that is supposed to arrest. Even the national security, arrest is supposed to be made by the police, not even the national security. The National Security Office, there is police officers in there, and there is no police officer either in national security or any other security apparatus that does not report to the IGP. So if the IGP tells you he is not aware, he's being dishonest. Because no police officer, even if you are guiding the president, the vice president, or any minister, your reporting officer is the IGP. So if you sit here and tell me the IGP said he's not aware, and this is what we have to put on record, we don't have a problem. They will go there. That animal of arrest will come up. But we believe them that we, as NPP, as law-abiding as we are, we know what we are going to do in Akwatia. Okay. We're not going to be intimidated. Okay. We are going to make sure that all that we have done in the past to ensure that there is peace, we will do it, but we will never be cowards to an intimidating feature. He knows that there are some walking sticks that are more even dangerous than pepper spray. My good brother, Basentali, the walking stick that he's holding, do you know what it is? It's a weapon. It's a weapon. But for us, for me, I don't care whether you are holding a weapon or you are holding what. Provided what I am doing is within the remit of the law, I have the right to protection. Don't be surprised. We'll collect some of their weapons.
Tanko, you are confident you win?
No. We are winning the seat. In fact, we won the seat.
It's an NPP seat.
You know what? We won the seat.
You won the seat in the last election, 2024.
Yes, you know what? We're declared winners.
Okay.
NPP connived with some crooked electoral officers, and they rushed to Tesano, here, just closer to your station, Tesano police station, and brought another person who described himself as a deputy returning officer, and also declared NPP winners. There was double declaration there. The first one was at Akwatia itself, the Chombo, the district. Then the NPP said they were not going to accept this. Connect with these electoral officers, they brought everything to Tesano police station. Before we could say, Jack, the gentleman stood there. In the absence of this returning officer, I am the deputy returner. I declared an Escumi winner. That's how they declared themselves winners. We went to court. The matter was in court. Yeah. And there was a contempt matter. The Supreme Court dismissed the contempt one and said they should go back and continue the election petition. We were pursuing him in court because it's our seat. We won it. We wanted the court to remove him. So we have the evidence. They rigged the election. NPP, they know they can't do it this time round. You see how they've started crying and talking about that thing. Look, let me tell you, Basentali is a nice young man. It's a normal walking stick. It's not a weapon. We have it. walking stick in a place where we are coming from, people use walking stick. It's a normal thing. Pepper spray is a different one. It's a weapon. Don't make that comparison, my brother. What we are saying is that this election that we are going, the police indicators to us, they will do a lot of arrests. Not the former appointees, but those people who come and cause trouble, troublemakers, that they will arrest them. What we are saying that there are other agencies who are also looking for fugitives. Fugitives are former appointees who are running from the law. If they appear there, they will also be arrested. That one is a fact. Government must continue. Because of election, you can't say government should not continue. Everything should stand still. No, government business must continue. That day, government business will be active and working. And the security apparatus are going to keep their eyes. For us, we will activate our body cameras. And you know it. My boss gave it to us before he died. We have the code. We are going to decode it there and activate it, and we'll hand them a heavy defeat in that election. They are going to lose. NDC is going to win that thing. And I can assure you, by 5:20 thereabout, you will break the news. The Akwatia is green. and all these things will stop.
Tanko, thank you. Thank you.
Sami,
Tanko Rashid, I'm running out of time.
Sami, one thing must be very clear.
In 30 seconds.
Per CI 127, there is no election petition in Akwatia. There was no election petition in Akwatia. Elections in Akwatia was declared and gazetted on the 6th of January 2025. The so-called petition, the election petition they filed, was filed on the 31st of December in 2024.
The Supreme Court rule on it.
You see, my brother, you've learned it. I said it. You should have been the director of elections. You were cheated. But I think that at this time, the NDC should give it to you. Yes, you were cheated. You have experience in elections. You shouldn't be doing this.
Thank you. Thank you. It's been another exciting edition of The Point of View that came to you live from our studio here in Accra. My name is Sami. We are starting for your regular host, Bernard Koku Avle. So we come your way again. May the good Lord be with us all.
Speak like this to a patient in a hospital. And yes, we name Raf and Kobe Kasasa. Obi patient. Obi this show.
Kofi Meba. Sister Len, open your mic. Did you have any information about what Kofi just said? Say, yeah, the Kophobia Prac Hospital or Krama, Oma come back to do their work, and they came back later only to come and find out.
I told you say, I don't have preview information, which we all don't have. Kofi said he has it. I said he should say it. He has said it. Muhe video na. Do you see dressing on the bed that the patient is lying on?
That dressing on
the incident happened 2 hours.
This is later. After Raf for life.
Mami can't munko video na Raf. You will see that same dressing. Don't go there. You've said what you want to say. I'm telling you because I've watched the video critically. Video now. Patients need that honor. So
Afro.
You will see dressing on the bed. You go and see. Go back to that video and watch.
No problem. Can you tell us the specific time that the dressing was done?
Oh, gentlemen, yes. I was not there. Okay, so I'm telling you something from Essen. I'm telling you something from the video.
Lynette, how do you know that it was after that incident?
From Raf video. From Raf video. Time not Raf video.
And then I am telling you that Raf video is 2 hours after the whole incident. 2 hours after the patient was brought to the hospital, 2 hours after Raf went back, or Munya Obibia, even Raf Krabenya accident on the way, and son Oba Hospital, Hobenya
yes,
and son alive, no clear Koso.
I think that you people are not listening to me. TA, you people are not listening.
Nobody want to listen to you, and we don't want to listen to you. And me, I don't even understand why blind. And